Microsoft PowerPoint changing your zoom. By now you're aware that this part of the screen is called the outline pane, and there are two tabs here, outline and slides. This of course is in version 2003. This area here is our slide pane. It actually shows us the physical slide as it would be presented on the screen. And of course here is our notes section. Now if I click somewhere in the slide area, even if it's in a blank space, I can use the zoom option here. It currently says 28%. I can zoom in to say 66%. As a result, I have some scroll bars that enable me to move around because I've zoomed in too big. I can zoom in even more if I want to 100%, or I can make it fit precisely in the space that I have. Now the same applies for the outline pane. If I click, so the computer knows that this is the area that I'm talking about, notice that the zoom is 25%. If I click the drop down arrow and make it 66, then all of a sudden my thumbnails for the slides are much bigger than before. I'll bring that back to 25%. And even in the outline area where it shows only the text, if I go to that view, currently says 25%, and I can change it to anything I want, and now all the text in the outline pane is much bigger. Now I didn't have to select everything for everything in that pane to become bigger. So I'll just bring that back down to 25% so that we can see much more of what's in there. And just realize that you can change your zoom in both the outline and slides area in the outline pane, as well as the zoom of the actual slide in the slide pane.